This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Sunshine is giving way to showers here this afternoon and early tonight, and we will see our sunshine return. Just not the unseasonably warm temperatures. 13 weather ball is blue, cooler, much cooler weather in view coming up on your Wednesday. A blinking bright for overnight rain in sight, and this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. I wish I had better news for you, Brenna. Colt's going to get wet. Doesn't matter what time. Take them out for a walk either this evening or tomorrow morning, giving you a yellow paw for all of those time periods. At least it'll be a little more comfortable temperature-wise this evening. It'll be in the 40s as you head out the door in the morning. Solar energy going to be lacking up until late in the day tomorrow, so not a lot of electricity generated from this green energy source. Winds will be a little bit on the stronger side, so 5.6 out of a 10-point scale. A little energy being generated by the wind tomorrow. We got a low pressure system near St. Louis coming up from the south. It'll head over southeast lower Michigan tomorrow morning. It's going to slow this cold front down a little bit. It's going to take until tomorrow afternoon to finally push to the east, and then skies will be clearing toward the end of the day. We could see this overnight, lots of rain. There's where the low pressure system is by tomorrow evening. We'll already see some sunshine before the sun goes down tomorrow, but it's going to be chilly here tomorrow night, back down into the 30s. Lots of sunshine on Thursday before some high clouds come in, but no precipitation expected. Those will move on out. Nice sunny start to our weekend on Friday. We'll hang on to the sun on Saturday as well, and on Sunday we'll start out with some sunshine, but some clouds coming in at the end of the day. And just like this past Sunday, there might be a brief shower Sunday night, but right now Halloween is looking very seasonable. Between now and tomorrow afternoon, some areas could see up to an inch of rain now, a little more than previously thought, but again, we could use a little bit of rain. Temperatures will fall to 46 by this time tomorrow evening, and then on Thursday climbing up into the mid 50s and then warming up into the upper 50s, which is close to our average high during the day Friday. Extending the outlook for that first week of November, high chances that we will see warmer than average temperatures and high chances that we'll see more rainfall during that 7-day period. So tonight, periods of light rain, temperatures at daybreak around 50 to 54. Those will be tomorrow's high temperatures. Upper 40s to low and mid 50s by daybreak to the north with steady light rain. And from Grand Rapids southward, we're looking at temperatures between 52 here in Grand Rapids at daybreak and 57 in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. Dry weather from tomorrow afternoon all the way through Sunday as we recover to above average for Saturday and Sunday. Some showers Sunday night. Right now, late in the day, Monday, Halloween, we'll see a little bit of clearing. Very typical weather. And then back into the 60s briefly Tuesday and Wednesday, first couple of days of November, and then turning a little bit cooler beyond that.
Certainly have had a lot of rain in just about that last hour and a half.
I know, and some fog out on the lakeshore. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons out on the weather deck with all the details. George.
The low clouds are coming in with the rain. Surprisingly, we have had some light rain here in West Michigan so far, but it will be steady all night long. What's ahead for your Wednesday? 13 weather ball is blue, cooler, much cooler weather in view as we drop from the 50s into the 40s tomorrow, and it's blinking bright. We'll have overnight rain in sight. It will also affect your morning commute, and this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Temperatures today climbed into the mid and upper 60s and low 70s. It stopped at 67 here in Grand Rapids. I was thinking it would get to 72. That's outside of our 3-degree threshold. We'll try to get back on track here tomorrow. So far, we've had a few hundredths of an inch, quarter of an inch over in the Holland area. It has yet to rain off to the east of Grand Rapids. We could use a little bit more rain. We're running about 3/4 of an inch below average for the month through the 25th. We'll get a lot of that here overnight tonight. We are a little bit cooler than average, but more sunny, more sunshine than usual up to this point in the month. You can see periods of rain, some light to moderate rain, the heaviest down around the Grand Haven area down through Holland. All of that rain will be slowly pushing to the east during the morning tomorrow. This is 7 o'clock this evening. You can see the rain finally making it to Ionia by around daybreak, but by tomorrow afternoon, skies will clear and you'll have a great lunch hour along the lakeshore and a great afternoon here in Grand Rapids. So wet to start your day, but a dry evening commute. We'll see some high clouds come back in after some morning sunshine on Thursday, but it will be dry. And then the weekend looking great. Lots of sunshine all day long on Friday. We'll see lots of sunshine again on Saturday as we do more fall cleanup. And on Sunday, we'll see some high clouds come on in later on in the day. There might be a passing shower Sunday night, but right now Halloween is looking pretty good. In many areas, there could be up to an inch of rain overnight tonight. As I mentioned, we could use a little bit more. It has been fairly dry. That'll keep the fire danger down for this upcoming weekend. Although tomorrow it will be breezy and temperatures will be the highest around daybreak, and then they'll fall to these readings by 5 o'clock. So a much different day. You'll need to wear a much more substantial jacket between the low and mid 40s with those winds out of the north at about 15 to 20. It'll be breezy as well. Temperatures will be falling from the low and mid 50s, maybe around 49 up north, down into the low and mid 50s by the end of the day. You'll have to dress the kids differently than you have for the last couple of days. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we got breezy conditions as well as temperatures fall between about 46 here in Grand Rapids and 48 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. 54 and becoming mostly cloudy on Thursday, but lots of sunshine and 58 Friday. 60 on Saturday and up to 61 despite the clouds on Sunday. Overnight showers should end, and then Monday late in the day skies should clear just in time for the trick-or-treaters. Climbing into the low and mid 60s next Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll cool off after that, back down into the 50s by the following Friday.